Hello traders, today is the 30th of March 2023. We had amazing volatility today, London morning session. Let me share with you guys most of my analysis and their result and how traders enjoy trading today. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the most of the analysis. The first analysis you can see here, we just mentioned 9 minutes ago, consider banking some pips on gold. So if you look at the gold, let me explain to you what exactly I mean. And if you look at the gold 4-hour chart, this is the area we were expecting some price action at this level, third touch. So that's what we're expecting hence. And how I analyze the market, and this is the latest analysis, as you can see here. Based on that, we had this analysis as explained based on the 4-hour chart. As explained to my trader, once the price gonna break the structure, so bank few pp's and look for another confirmation. You can see here price nicely came back and retest, give us another confirmation, and afterwards, as explained, my trader keep taking a pullback. So you can see here we had such a nice beautiful short trade, being an intraday, bank amazing profit on gold. All right, so next one is Euro USD, pretty straightforward. We can see that was the pretty straightforward breakout. Again, we were looking in 4-hour. That's exactly what we're looking here. So if you look at the 4-hour, based on the 4-hour, you can see here the price nicely respected, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price gonna respect, then possibility of long, otherwise breakout shows. And in intraday, this is the analysis I did and explained to my trader, look for this breakout, price nicely broken, bank few pp's. Amazing trade on Euro USD. Then pound yen, that was a beautiful trade, guys, amazing trade. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market. We had this short trade, bank few pp's, and afterwards, as explained to my trader, based on the 4-hour, that the high probability price might gonna shoot up. Reason why, let me explain to you. If you look at the 4-hour chart, and as explained to my trader this morning, and if you look at here, we have this price nicely respected previously. So I said, if the price is going to break, then short. If the price is going to respect, then possibility of pullback. And if the price is going to stay above this level, then possibility of long here. So being an intraday, that's what I did. First of all, let me explain to you both of the analysis, so you can understand how we constantly monitoring in an intraday and helping our trader, because there's still possibility was to break out short. So this is the analysis we did this morning. Price nicely broken, hit to the first target, which bank few pp's, and afterwards price impulsively reverse. That's what I explained to my trader, because we have both possibilities, either break or continuation long. So as explained in more detail to my trader, the price develop a false breakout, you can see here. So then I explained, let the market break the structure, or more likely if the price gonna break and give us the confirmation, which I explained to my trader, then look for long trade here. Then we explain, and as soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So all this is happening in real time. That's the way we train people with a live market and helping them to make some profit alongside learning it, price action in real time. All right, so if you look at the euro yen, we have the more or less the same. You can see here beautiful breakout, long trade here. And let me explain to you in 4-hour. That's what we look at. As we have the system in one side, we look at the 4-hour. Here we look at the price action. So you can see here pretty straightforward, not rocket science. Price broke on the previous high, and we were expecting some price action around this level. If the price gonna break short, reverse long here. So we also had this short trade here this morning. Once the price broken, bank few pp's, and afterwards long trade here. And let me share with you all these two analysis. So you can see here, first in the morning, we had a beautiful short trade here as we expecting it, because we were expecting this breakout at this level. So price nicely broken, developed pullback. You can see here momentum was bearish as soon as the price hit to the support level, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. Once we bank some profit, as soon as the price reverse, as you can see here, the price refused to break this orange EMA. But if you look at here, this is the which we explained, price refused, so more likely long, because we were expecting possibility of price action this upside. So based on that analysis, price nicely broken, price nicely hit to the profit target, and explain my trade, it's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see here, guys, we had amazing trade this morning. And the dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward, no rocket science. That's what we're expecting here. either breakout and pullback. Again, if you look at the based on the 4-hour, that's what we mostly look at. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, we can see here the price nicely respected here. So we're expecting here another price action, possibility of breakout. So if you look at here, this is the breakout we were expecting here. And based on that, based on the intraday, based on this analysis, price nicely broken. And as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. Amazing trade. Dollar Swiss franc. We have Aussie dollar. Beautiful trade, guys. That was a pretty straightforward breakout. But if you look at the, again, 4-hour, that's what we look at in the 4-hour. You can see here the price nicely respected the support level, previous low. And if you look at this previous price action, that give us the significant sign. Look for this breakout, and based on the intraday, based on this analysis, price nicely broken, and we bank amazing profit on Aussie dollar. Okay, so dollar CAD, that was a beautiful trade, guys. We were expecting a short trade here, and that's as soon as the price broken, based on that. So we were expecting here, if the price, you can see here, price divided this one, so we're expecting a pullback or breakout, which price nicely broken previous low. Beautiful short trade here. Even in 4-hour, our bias was short on, as you can see here at the Asian session. Price nicely respected this level, and we have a pullback short trade here, bank amazing profit. You can see, guys, I can carry on all these trades. You can see even pound dollar, we had amazing trade, beautiful, and bank amazing profit. Look at this pound dollar here based on the 4-hour, pretty straightforward. You can see here the price develop a false breakout, and after the false breakout, price nicely broken and pulled back long trade. Again, if you look at the 4-hour chart, that's what we're looking here. And if you look at the as explained to my trader, look if the price is going to respect this level. So we're expecting here another possibility. If you look at the previous price action, we have this impulsive, we have correction, so we were expecting a price action at this level. So based on the intraday, you can see here price develop a price action, develop false breakout, price nicely broken and retest. So price broken and retest, and long, you can see here price previously broken and retest. Beautiful. And then we pull back, and as explained my trader, keep enjoying it. Once the price hit to the profit target, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis review, but most important and interesting part of it, you should be watching those analyses and banking profit in real time. That's the more interesting part of it. So if you are still struggling, if you have this type of analysis with the live RD Squawk support in real time analysis update, I'm pretty sure you can learn at the same time you can bank amazing profit. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.